Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a word count to Microsoft Word document. Now there are two ways for us to be able to get this done. So first way is we're going to head over here, right click, and then click on word count right there, and you can see that now we have it. Another thing is that we can definitely go to the part where we want to insert the word count in our document. I'm just going to go ahead and use this one as an example here. I'm going to click insert, click the field, and then you're going to look for document information, num words, and then use the default, or you can choose the different settings there. Hit OK, and you can see that now it has been added by default. So yeah, if say for example, I'm going to go ahead and update this one. So you can see now it's 2485. You can right click on it, click update field, and it's gonna reflect that one. So yeah, that's the easiest way in order for us to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.